What's going on, guys? This is going to be a real quick follow-up video from a video I posted a couple weeks ago, and that's how to make your own LED lenses. If you haven't seen that one, I'll link it at the end of this one. Anyway, somebody contacted me off of Facebook and they're asking me if I could make them a red hood lens with the logo etched in. So let me show you what I came up with. Here's one of the lenses. This is going off the dimensions he gave me. It's pretty easy to design, nothing fancy. Now the only problem with a lens like this is once you get it mounted in the mask, you're going to be able to see into the mask, as opposed to a design like this where it should do a good job of blocking it out. So let me get this mounted in LED and show you what I came up with. Here it is with the LED mounted in it. You can see the effect you can get. Now what I'm thinking is if you take a piece of tinted acrylic, mount it behind it, you'll still get the same effect, and you can see out of this pretty clearly without a problem. So I think that's the way to go on something like this. I played around with it a little bit more for an acolyte mask, and let me show you that one. And here's a design I worked on for the acolyte mask. See, the effect looks pretty good. And if you look closely enough, you can see skulls in there. Pretty cool. And there you go, guys. There's a couple more ideas for you guys to play around with. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.